Hey, good morning, guys. Today is 2nd of June and the day is Wednesday. The time is 9:19 and we have taken the positions. On the Nifty account, I have taken a 15,550 straddle, and just like yesterday, I'm still testing the markets. I'm in with only 20 lots and we are up by close to 2 or 3 points. And the adjustment point is once the CPR level is breached, then I might make some changes to this position, or once the day's low gets taken out, then also I'll be looking at making the changes to this position. Till then, this position is good to hold. So, and in the Bank Nifty account, I'm sitting on a 35,200 straddle. The premiums are, bro, these premiums should be the Thursday morning premiums, and we are getting Thursday morning premiums on a Wednesday morning. So the premiums are super low, and yeah, the moment the day's low is breached, the moment the day's low is taken out, ये जो point है, अगर वो breach हो जाता है, then I'll definitely be looking to exit this position. And Bank Nifty coming down has immensely helped our positional trades. Positional trade मैंने continuously 2-3 बार वीडियो बनाया है, and the positional trades have given quite a bit. I mean, almost 4% दे चुका है, 3.5-4% दे चुका है, and we are also up by around जब तक 15,520 levels breach नहीं होता तब तक we can easily hold on to these positions. Alright guys, I've come out of my position, booked around 4 points. इतना ज्यादा नहीं है, but I'm still I'm very observant of the markets. I just want to observe the markets and not take any big positions as of now because the premiums are very low. Alright, the premiums are low, the more margins are required, and it doesn't make sense to deploy so much margin to collect some peanuts and do the adjustments for delta and IV spike. Alright guys, Nifty account में तो कुछ position लेने का मन नहीं है, but what I've done is I've taken a position in the Bank Nifty account. I've re-entered the 35,200 straddle. तो अभी इसका stop loss में कैसे रखा हूँ, like I've kept the stop loss at 300 and 300. इसका reason क्या है? ठीक है, so go to the premium charts. 35,200 का प्रीमियम जो है यहाँ पे देखो, when the market went to the bottom मतलब कहाँ पे, जब मार्केट 35,070 लेवल्स के आसपास जब आया था, at that point of time this put option 35,200 put option went up till 290 rupees. ठीक है, and call option had went up till 175 something. अभी सीन क्या हो सकता है, if we head back to the day's low, alright, already एक double bottom बना चुका है and यहाँ पे consolidation हुई है. So if we start heading back to those levels, there's a very high probability that we might continuously head lower. तो इसलिए मैं क्या किया है, 300 में रखा हूं. I can make it 290 also, क्योंकि वो जो हाई पे अगर फिर से एक 5 रुपीज में सेव कर सकता हूं इस पे. ठीक है, if we start heading lower, yes, the expectation is that we might continue the downward momentum. So अगर put option अगर hit हो जाता है, put option का stop loss, then we might constantly trail the calls. तो loss तो नहीं होगा. कैसे? Because when the last time markets went lower, यहाँ पे जब आया था, this 35,200 straddle, ये जो straddle है, it was worth somewhere around 460 points. And मैंने जो enter किया है दूसरी बार, it is at around 400 and how much? 449. Okay, 450 पकड़ लो. तो I'll maximum face a loss of 10 points अगर market downside तक आ भी जाएगा. Alright guys, the time is close to 12:40 and I haven't taken any intraday positions, but I have taken an overnight position. मतलब सिर्फ कल के लिए है ये. And what the position is and where the break evens are and what the adjustment points are, I'm going to explain in a bit. But before that, the update on the Bank Nifty account is that the 35,200 short straddle which I had re-entered, I've exited that also, and it's 2.4k for the day, which is close to 0.6-0.7% on the deployed margin. Now, what the strategy is? So this is called a double diagonal. What's a double diagonal? You sell an OTM option of the current expiry and you buy the hedges of the next expiry. So what I've done is I've shorted the 35,500 call and a 34,800 put of tomorrow's expiry, and I've bought the hedges 35,500 call and 34,500 put of the 10th June expiry. So the payoff graph looks something like this. So this strategy is slightly bullish in nature because I did it if you look at the premiums, I shorted the 35,500 call at 102 points and I shorted 34,800 put option at 76 points. Since I'm collecting an extra premium from the call option, this is slightly delta negative. So how it's doing? It's doing quite okay. I mean, it has given decent amount of decay throughout the day. I'm planning to take this position overnight with adjustments if required post lunch. अगर market इसी जगह पे halt करता है, then I don't think there will be any adjustments required to this. But if at all market moves suddenly in any particular direction, I might do some adjustments and take this position overnight. The margin required is around 5 lakhs. In this 50 lakhs account, I'm using only 10% of my margin to take this because this is a risky trade. If at all we gap big on either sides, then we might look at a good amount of MTM losses, because of which I have kept the positions really light. So another important thing to note is this strategy, which I'm doing it for tomorrow, is kind of complementing my monthly position. तो monthly position क्या था मेरा 35,000 straddle, but यहाँ पे कैसा है, the call option, the short call and the hedge are at the same strikes, but the short put and the short hedge are at the different strikes, 300 points different strike है, which means that I'm relatively collecting higher premiums from the put side. So अगर मार्केट ऊपर जाता है तो I'll be benefiting, correct? बैंक निफ्टी का मंथली स्ट्रैडल में कैसा है? Look at the premium disparity, right? The put option is trading at 724 and the call option is trading at 1,000 rupees. तो अगर मार्केट ऊपर जाना शुरू कर देता है, the monthly straddle will start to lose, but that will be compensated at least for tomorrow by this weekly straddle. अगर नीचे आ जाता है, then this monthly straddle will start giving the profits and the weekly straddle might lose a bit. We are up by around 9.5 or 10k for the day, nothing major, and this position will be taken overnight. And tomorrow is the expiry day. We'll come and try to capture at least 10 to 15 points of DK tomorrow, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.